Hey everyone, this is a quick video on how to use TroopWebHost, especially from a parent's point of view. So you should have gotten an email from the webmaster on getting into the system, and so something like this is what I received. So you would just simply click on this link and then be able to log in. The email or the password is also sent in a different email. And so I'm going to go ahead and show that. I'm just not going to show it for this actual troop here, rather just troop ABC. So what you do is come up to this box and log in. So just put in your information and then click log on. Then once you're in here, there's a whole lot of different things that you can do. So first of all, under the home tab, you've got a list of things like learning about the troop, seeing who the adult leaders are, the scoutmaster, committee chairman, and so forth. Then you can also get forms, so the new scout application, tour permit, and other things that are necessary. And one of the things I really want to highlight here is My Scouts. So if you go to My Stuff and then My Scouts, you're able to see more information about your scouts and what things they have going on and how they're doing. So there's some things here like contact information. If you need to go and update their email, you can go in here and update that, and then just scroll down and save and exit. So that way they can be notified as well as you through this system. One of the other things I want to highlight is the rank status and merit badges. So go to rank status and you can see the history of their awards. And so when they became first class or star life, and see the different things that they have done, including the camping nights and so forth. Now, you can go, currently Brandon here is a life, so he has all the requirements filled. So now we can just go to Eagle and be able to look at the different things he needs to do. So looks like he has number 1 and number 4 done. Now one thing that's important to note is that you as a parent can actually go in and edit these, but someone, a scout advisor, or if it's a merit badge counselor could go in and actually add these so that they're earned. So if you know that your son has done something, then just make sure that you talk to someone so they can get that taken care of. But it's nice because this way you can kind of see what's going on. So you'll notice here there's a way to get to the merit badges. So you can come down here and click on merit badges, and you can see what all has been done. And it looks like Brandon has done quite a bit of these, and he does have one here that isn't that hasn't been earned. All these other ones have been, so you can go and look at the requirements there. And this, you may know that he's completed a few of these, and so you want to follow up with the advisors to make sure that all gets entered into the system. Again, that's not something that you can edit yourself, but you can talk to someone to get it accomplished. Now, if there's a new merit badge that you want to add, you can come in here and do add merit badge. Then let's say we are going to start doing digital technology, and he started it. You can click on the calendar, be able to find the right date. Just start at the beginning of December. You can add a comment here if you want, and then do save and add another if you want to keep going and add another merit badge. So if you have several to enter, if you just have this one, you can just do save and exit. And that will bring you back out here. So now if we go to that digital technology, we can go and look at all the different requirements. So this way you can track that and be able to know what things they need to do. Now, another thing that's good as well is you can also export it to PDF or open it in Excel. So that's a handy way to be able to print out all of the requirements if you want to be able to mark them here and know, okay, that they're done with all of these and then go in and make sure that it gets entered into the TroopWebHost. So if we go back here to My Scout, so we looked at the rank status, the merit badges, and then there's also the awards here. And so if there are different awards, then you could come in here and add, the 25-mile cycling award or different things like that. And so you can come in here and make sure that they get everything entered in, all the different awards that they have. Another thing that's important for you to do is to be able to update your contact information. We want to make sure that you get the emails and that we can contact you whenever needed. And so you can go to My Stuff, My Contact Information, and then all of your information's here. You can simply enter the information and then go down to the bottom and click Save. Now another thing, especially if this is your first time, you may want to go in and change your password as well. So all you do is go to My Stuff, change password. You can change it here and then save it. As you'll see, you need to make sure that it's a strong password. There's actually a help guide on doing this, but just make sure that you have the criteria followed here. Now, one of the other things that I want to highlight is the email. So in here, you'll get an email in your normal email, but there's also email tracked here if you have it set up that way. So you can go in here and be able to compose an email to someone. So if you just wanted to contact a scout or an advisor, you could come click on them here. If you needed to send it to everybody, then you can send it to everybody. So you just select the people you want to send it to and then come up here and then type in the subject and the message that you want to send. So that's a nice way to be able to get in contact with others. And advisors and scouts may be using this as well to contact you, so make sure that your information is up to date. Another thing to point out is and one thing you can encourage your scouts to do is to actually come in and upload photos. So one thing that's nice about TroopWebHost is you can have pictures from the different events that they do. And so you can group them, okay, this is summer camp, and then put all the different pictures that are related here. And as far as uploading, all you need to do is go to Photo Gallery and then upload photos. And then from here, we've got the different events. All you need to do is, just click Upload Photos, type in some information about that, and then you can upload multiple or upload just one photo and be able to choose that on your computer. So you go here, click Choose File, get the picture that you want, and then you can put a caption here and then add it. And so that's a nice thing for everyone to be able to see the different pictures from the trips and be able to have a good time that way. And I think that will do it for today. It's kind of just a basic overview of what you would need to do as far as a parent is concerned. Thanks.